Hello, I hope all of you are fine. So, in my last video, we have learned that what are the changes that takes place in our family, and today our topic is changes in the neighborhood and school. Though today we will cover changes in the neighborhood and about school we will discuss in my next video. Okay, and today I will be discussing the concept of this. Okay, and I will not go line by line, but you must read at home each and every line to understand it in a better way. So, at first, we will know what is neighborhood. So, neighborhood is the place we live in, and the area around our home is our neighborhood. So, the area that we live in, okay, and our surroundings is called our neighborhood. So, who are neighbors? The people who lives in our neighborhood are our neighbors. इसको हम बोलते हैं पड़ोसी. Okay, in Hindi it is called पड़ोसी. So students, neighborhood जो होता है उसमें क्या क्या होता है वैसे? Many things are there. If you take a look in your surrounding, you will see different type of things are there. Okay, so it includes like shops, then market, ground, temple. Okay, but you should keep this in mind that each and everything in our neighborhood provides some kind of service to us. Okay, it provides some kind of service. For example, let me talk about the ground in your locality. What does it do? What is the use of this? It is used for playing, right? So at the evening time you people go to the ground to play. Thus it is very much helpful to you. Then if we talk about uh, market, so market provides us the necessary goods that we need in our day-to-day life. Okay, so all these things provide us some kind of service, and each and everything in our neighborhood, okay, each and everything I'm saying is changed over a period of time. Okay, if you ask your parents, they can give you a better information about the changes that your neighborhood has faced over a period of time, right? And these changes is dependent on some other facts. Okay, so the facts are like the growth of population, okay, then demand, you can say. Huh. Like if I say that when the population grows, no, the number of people increases, the demand also increased. Like आपके locality में एक shop है, one shop, okay, but nowadays what happened कि जो like population has increased in your neighborhood, okay, so एक दुकान में बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ रहता है, तो आपके पड़ोसी ने क्या किया, देखा डिमांड तो ज़्यादा है यार, तो फिर एक दूसरा दुकान खोल दिया. लाइक डिमांड बढ़ गया, शॉप्स का नंबर भी बढ़ गया. दिस इज ऑल्सो चेंज. ओके, आपके सामने वाला जो ग्राउंड है इन योर चाइल्डहुड, और इफ यू आस्क योर पेरेंट्स दैट मे बी दे यूज टू प्ले इन दैट ग्राउंड, बट नाउ you can see like big huge buildings are being constructed. These are also changes. New roads are being constructed. Okay, new markets are set up in your locality. All these are the changes of your neighborhood. But students, this is not only the change that our locality goes through. Okay, sometimes what happens, people move to different places or cities for different purpose. Sometimes job, sometimes study, sometimes uh, better health facility. Okay, so when people visits a new place or settles in a new area, the neighborhood gets changed. Like you live in a place, okay, and some people from a different place has come to your area locality to settle down over there. So they got your new neighbors. That means this is a change. Then you are also affected by your neighborhood, or your neighborhood is also affected by you. That is why it is said that in like metropolitan cities, the cultures are mixed. Why? Because they are influenced by each other. You get to learn something new from your neighbor, maybe different type of dishes, like food items, different culture, maybe language. Okay, your neighbor also comes to know a different thing about your culture, your language. Huh? So thus we affect each other. This is also a change. Thus our society is getting changed. Okay, so here two pictures are being given. Okay, this is of Chandni Chowk, Delhi of 1860s, and this is, you can say, 2020s picture. The scenario is quite similar in each and every city. Sometimes more or less, but it is very much similar. Okay, if you look at this picture, this is of 1860s picture. You can see just a few people are roaming over there. Then a few shops, empty space. Like this is, I think, a road. Okay, a few trees are also there. But here on its opposite side, you can see a lot of shops, vehicles. A lot of vehicles are there. Vehicles or rickshaws are there. Okay, many people are over there, and there is no empty place. There's not even a place to sit for a while. Okay, so thus you can see the changes. These pictures are being given over here to make you understand that what are the changes that has taken place in this city. So the scenario is, I have already told, more or less similar in each and every city. Okay, so this picture tells us about every place, every neighborhood goes through several changes, and people change too. So as I told you that we come to know different things from our neighbor, so thus our society is getting changed, our culture is also getting influenced by these things, right? It is basically becoming mixed culture day by day because we are interchanging our cultures, traditions. Okay, so a neighborhood changes because with time the number of people living in an area increases. I have already told you that the growth of population influences, and it also causes changes in our neighborhood. Though the changes are of different types in different places. If we talk about a city, big city or town, okay, it is very much speedy, the growth rate, okay, or it becoming changed in each and every day. Whereas if you talk about a rural area, like in remote areas, what happens, it is little bit slow. But cities, like urban areas and rural areas, both of the places, experience this kind of changes. Okay, so all these changes happen over a long time and make a place or a neighborhood look and sometimes feel different than how it was earlier. So I told you, like, you sometime you can do in your free time, you should talk to your parents about the changes that they have experienced in their life. Okay, like when I ask my parents, okay, usually they say that अभी तो वैसा नहीं है जैसा पहले था. No, that means they feel different whenever they think of the past. Okay, they feel different. Okay, so this is it about the changes in our neighborhood. I hope you have understood. Okay, so you must read each and every sentence so that you can have a better understanding. Okay, so thank you so much, and you must take care of yourself. And in my next video we will discuss about the changes in the school and why it is necessary to adapt the changes. We also talk about this. Okay, thank you, bye bye.